Hey guys, welcome to another video. In today's video, it's the next episode of Housefly. So here we go.
Hi honey, I found an absolutely brilliant parking
So,
space.
Great,
I'll meet you at the gift shop, dear. I still have to buy that big
just
stick.
a bit different. Car.
Now!
I don't know. And you can finish some for playing. And today, Noah's going to be joining me. So my sister's phone. My sister's phone there. You really jumps you and you probably using, but now I'm sleeping on the floor. Bed's gone. There's my TV. And look at that disgusting weather. Rainy weather. That's it, guys. And goodbye.